Hi there, and welcome to Taranis. Today we're going to walk through how to use the Taranis Mobile App offline. This feature is especially useful when you're out in the field and don't have a reliable internet connection. Let's dive in. First, ensure you have all of the necessary data before you start. Open the Taranis web app on your desktop or laptop and ensure that the fields are up to date with NDVI imagery, identified threats, and any specific notes or recommendations. This ensures that you'll have access to all of the information you need, even without the internet. Let's prepare for working offline. Before heading to the field, connect your mobile device to Wi-Fi or a strong cellular network. Open the Taranis Mobile App and your insights will load. At the top of the screen, tap the white Taranis logo. Next, select Manage Offline Fields. Select the fields you plan to scout with the anticipation of no internet connection. After making your selection, hit Save in the bottom right corner. A pop-up message will appear, letting you know the fields you have selected are downloading for use in offline mode. At the top of the screen, you'll see a progress bar showing the status of the download. When the download is complete, you'll get a pop-up message indicating that the fields have downloaded successfully. You're now ready to head to the field. Once in the field, open the Taranis Mobile App. The app will automatically detect that you're offline and transition to offline mode. Navigate to your downloaded fields from the main dashboard. All previously synced data, including high-resolution images and insights, will be accessible. While scouting, use the app to log observations, create notes, and even capture photos. When you're done scouting, head back to a connected area and open the Taranis mobile app. The app will automatically detect the connection and sync your offline data. Once synced, you and your team can access the updated insights and take appropriate action based on your observations. Using the Taranis app offline is a seamless way to ensure you stay productive and informed, even in remote locations. By following these steps, you'll never miss a beat, whether you're connected or not. Thanks for watching, and happy scouting.